In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another Gmail account. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple email accounts for work, personal use, or any other purpose. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring a seamless experience. First, you'll want to open Gmail on your computer. It's important to do this on a desktop or laptop for the best view and ease of management. You can use any popular browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've got Gmail open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture, or, if you're not using an image, simply your initial. Click on your profile picture or initial. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with different options. Among these options, you should see one that says Add Another Account. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be prompted to enter the email address and password for the new Google account you'd like to add, so make sure you have these credentials handy. If you're creating an entirely new Gmail account to add, you'll still need to go through the process of setting up the account with Google before you can add it here. But here, we'll assume you already have another Gmail account ready to go. After entering the email and password, Google may guide you through a few on-screen instructions to finalize the sign-in process. This might include consent pages or security verification steps like entering a code sent to your phone or email. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully to complete the setup. Finally, once you're all signed in, you can easily switch between your Gmail accounts. Just return to the top right corner where your profile picture or initial is located, click on it, and you'll now see the additional account listed alongside your primary one. Simply click on the desired account you wish to access, and it will switch over effortlessly. This setup lets you manage different Gmail accounts from one convenient location, saving you the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. It's a great feature for staying organized, keeping work and personal emails distinct, and ensuring you never miss an important email. If you have any questions or experience any troubles during this setup, you might consider checking Google's support pages for more detailed information or troubleshooting assistance. But overall, you should be all set with your new Gmail account added and readily accessible from your main dashboard. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having all your email accounts in one spot.